I got boots on today. But here's where our little creek comes out at. Goes above the ankle out here. Try to make it non-jiggly. Whoop. I'm stopping to show you how deep it is on my boot. I do believe that tree stump's going to be flushed out with the water. Woo! Pretty deep. Thunder. Got thunder. Get up on the hillside here. Might have an issue getting down there with the umbrella. See? Gotta keep the phone dry. See what I'm walking on? Woo! Baby step, see if I can't get down there to get the sound. And the view. Past that tree branch there, close to the water, that'd be up to my waist. I ain't going there. You just have to take the word for it. But it's deep there. Those are locust trees. They got thorns and they hurt. Woo, one got me. Owie. But that's what I walked down. Woo! Okay. Whew. A little walk there. I ain't kidding about our backyard getting flooded. Come over here. Pardon me. There you go. It's already coming up in. Yeah. Bad over the toe. Here's another area that likes to flood. It goes all the way to the back porch. Yep. It all goes down here. And I have seen it up there by the doorway. That second step by the door, plumb full of water. Yeah. I don't know if I can go through there. We'll go this way. I'll get you out there in here in a minute. A hole in the yard where aspen or some type of tree service got stuck in a while back. It gets that deep back here, by the way. Even back here by the propane tank. That's the garden. As you can see, it's holding water. And it's muddy. See, you sink out here in the garden because of that. And I'll be there probably for 7 days or longer. Woo! Yeah, I ain't going in there. Woo! Boy. No thank you. Woo! Okay, I'll get you out there to the road here in a minute. Oh, wait, here you go. Whoop! You found the hole. Whew. Even back here behind the house, going beside the house to the front, that's pretty deep. And it's pretty muddy. Give you an idea. We don't play when it rains here. Going over here by the Twin Oaks above the corner here. Show you what it's like. Wow. It goes way back up there around that curve. Made this far. Thank you for watching. Continue to watch because the road gets interesting from here. It's pretty nasty too. Woo! I think we got lightning. This is April 5th, 2025. And let's see what time it is now. It is 9:16 a.m. right now. And my umbrella is trying to fly away. This is why the dirt road is so bumpy. This is also how I'm getting my exercise today. Not. I'm doing it for you. Woo! That beat. It goes all the way down there to the end of the road, which if you're wondering, I'll take you down there, show you where it goes. Subscribe, like, and comment, and share the video. Hit the bell to all so you get notified when I get one uploaded. Whew! Get that over with. To my subscribers, thank you so much for coming back and joining me for the video. Wow. Wow. Look that way. We're on the highway. Well, the street. It goes down there to that bridge. It's way down there. Down there is a creek, and that thing gets flooded. You ain't going nowhere. Bubbling up. What is that, a water line? Or a cave? Huh. Weird. Another purple tree. Woo! Blowing me away. Hi neighbors. You're watching this. I think we're going to end it here with the sound of the creek in my yard. Have a good one. Thank you for watching.